Hello everyone, hope you are having a great day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bed. Today's recipe is a mild and flavorful gravy made with soya chunks and potatoes. Let's get started. Boil the soya chunks for about 5 minutes in plenty of water and half a teaspoon of salt. Using a colander, drain the water completely and squeeze at least 2 to 3 times so that there is no water present inside the soya chunks. Now let's set this aside and prepare the gravy base. In a mixer jar, add in half a cup of coconut, an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, and a teaspoon of fennel seeds. To this, add in about half a cup of water and grind it to a very fine, smooth paste. Let's set this aside and start preparing the curry. Heat up a pan and to this, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Once that's sizzling, add one finely chopped onion. Saute till the onions are soft and translucent. It's not needed to brown the onions for this curry. Once the onions are translucent, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute or till the aroma of the ginger garlic paste releases. Now to this add in 1 finely chopped tomato. Saute till the tomatoes get mushy and starts leaving out the oil. Now to this add in quarter teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. To this add in salt. I've added about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now to this add in 1 potato cut in the shape of cubes and the squeezed out soya chunks. Saute on low flame till the spices coat the potato and soya chunks well. Now to this add in the ground coconut paste. Mix everything once till they are well combined. Add in enough water to the consistency that you prefer for the curry. I have added about 1 cup of water. Once the curry begins to bubble up, simmer it for about 15 minutes or till the potatoes are well cooked. If the gravy thickens a bit too much, then add in a little bit more of hot water to it. Let's cover and cook for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and you can see that the potatoes and soya chunks are well combined and well cooked. Our soya and potato curry is ready. We can turn off the flame and garnish it with some curry leaves. You can serve this hot with some steamed rice, appam or soft dosas. It pairs up really well with these. You can also add coriander leaves for garnishing instead of curry leaves. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comments. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.